Having a Rekenrek at home will help your child learn outside of school. Luckily, a Rekenrek is simple to make. You will need a piece of cardboard, some yarn, and 20 large beads. An empty cereal box will work well as the cardboard. You will use scissors, a pencil, a ruler, and a hole punch. Our Rekenrek will have 2 rows with 10 beads on each row. Cut your yarn into 2 24-inch pieces. Measure a rectangle that is about 4 inches high and 8 inches long. Cut out the rectangle. Next, you'll punch holes for your string. Make 2 holes on each end of the Rekenrek, like this. Thread your yarn through the holes on one side of the cardboard. You may want to add some tape to the end of the yarn to help you string on the beads. Place 10 beads on each row, using 5 of each color. 10, 20. Last, thread the yarn through the other holes. Tie a bow for each row on the back of the cardboard. And voila! You made a Rekenrek to use at home. Happy counting! Not sure how to use a Rekenrek? Watch and learn in A Parent's Guide to Rekenreks.